I'm just reading through a proposal for a pigging system for a very well-known beverage company. We've worked with them a lot over the years. We've got 4 pigging systems in this one site alone, and they keep coming back for more. Why do they keep coming back for more? Well, we've got an extremely good product. It works extremely well. Our guys are excellent at what they do, very easy to work with. But like anything in business, it comes down to the figures, it comes down to the results. So in this particular instance, have a quick look at the proposal. They've got a 3-inch production line, which is roughly 150 feet long. This line loses an estimated 24 gallons of product each changeover. And based on the number of changeovers they're currently performing, and assuming the line is only 50% full, HPS liquid product recovery will save them around $155,000 worth of product every year. If you assume the line is actually 75% full, this figure goes up to savings of $233,000 worth of product every year, which they would otherwise put down the drain. We also estimate that they'll reduce their CIP time and water usage by around 20%, along with the associated reductions in waste handling, treatment, transport, disposal costs, etc. So payback is extremely quick. They'll be getting a high return on their investment year on year. It makes a very strong business case. If you work for a company that processes liquids, and it doesn't have to be beverages, it could be paints, coatings, foods, confectionery, cosmetics, personal care items, etc., put something in the comments or send me a message via LinkedIn, and I'll send you a free white paper, no obligation, which tells you all about our technology, what it does, how it works, what it can do for you.